They are taking Baba for granted. They are taking this pause of this demonstration as a joke. And we want to tell them that Kenyans are crying, Kenyans are going through difficulties, of which we as people of Kenya, we all have equal shares within this nation. It doesn't belong to Ruto, Gachagua, it doesn't belong to Ichungwa or anyone. All of us, we are equal. And we want them to know all these things that Raila Odinga is talking about is not about Raila Odinga. It's for all of Kenyans.
And we wanted to respond to some of the utterances that we've seen this government, the Kenya Kwanza government, making to appear that we are interested in handshake with them. We want to make it very clear that we are not interested in handshake. And if our pleas cannot be heard, then we are not going to back down. We are going to do our demonstrations. We can even do it daily until all our pleas are met.
I want to tell you, Honorable Ichungwa, we have seen so many majority leaders in the National Assembly. And if you think that Baba is your cohort, whom you want to engage in very dirty politics, that is not the direction we are going to pick with you. And we are directing Baba that going forward, kindly don't respond to Akina Ichungwa or Gachagua. Leave them for us because they purely belong to our cohort. And Gachagua, we want to warn you because you call yourself the son of the Mau. And going forward, we are going to tell you that you are not the son of Mao. We know how sons of Mao behave.